This is multiplication lesson number 12. There are 14 multiplication lessons altogether. In this lesson, we will be doing 100 multiplication problems on the computer. We will be going at a faster speed than in the last two lessons. So now, let's take the camera and bring it in close to the computer. Let's line it up, and you will see you still have the clue cards, but I will be giving you fewer clues. By now you should know most of the 9 times table without using your fingers. And of course you should be saying your answers before I do. Let's begin. 3 times 8. Same as 6 times 4. 3 times 8 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 9 is 45. 7 times 7, think San Francisco. 7 times 7, 49, 49ers. 7 times 4, think 3 times 7 is 21, add 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 9 times 4, fourth finger, 36. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 9, think 9 plus 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 6 times 9, sixth finger down, 54. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 8, consecutive numbers, 56. 0 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. Consecutive numbers, 8 times 7, 56. 5 times 7, 35. 2 times 7 is 14. 8 times 1 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 9, ninth finger down. 9 times 9 is 81. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 7, San Francisco, 49. 3 times 2 is 6. 0 times 1 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3, 2 6s are 12, add a 6, 18. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 0 is 0. 9 times 9 is 81. 7 times 9, seventh finger down, 7 times 9 is 63. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. 6 times 5 is 30. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 4 times 4, use the chart if you need to, 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. 9 times 6 is, 6 finger down, 9 times 6 is 54. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 4, 4 times 3, consecutive numbers, is 12. 0 times 9 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 7 is 63. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 9 is 36. 8 times 5 is 40. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 times 9 is, 8 finger down, 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3, 3 touchdowns and 3 extra points. 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times 4, consecutive number, 12 is the answer. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 and 7 had dinner for 2, 42. 8 times 8 is 64. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 0 times 5 is 0. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 8 is 72. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 1 is 7. 0 times 7 is 0. 7 times 6. 6 and 7 had T, 4, 2, 42. 9 times 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 7, 2 times 7 is 14, add a 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is, add one more 7 to 21, you get 28. 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 8 times 3, same as 6 times 4. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 9 times 2 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. How did you do? You should now be able to do easily all these problems before I give the correct answer. If you have been able to keep up with me, move on to lesson 13, where you will be expected to go at even a faster pace. Otherwise, keep reviewing these last 3 lessons.